Hey there, how's it going? Good. Got another simplifying problem for you. Let's talk it through. So, does this problem look familiar? You're like, kind of, sort of. Here's something that throws people. As soon as an exponent takes the form of a fraction, also known as a rational exponent, the people's brain sometimes goes, what is this? Let me sidetrack you. What if I gave you Does that look simple enough to do? Good. So tell me what you would do. You would do x squared times x to the fourth, and then what? You would do x squared times a negative 2. Okay, what do you get here? X to the sixth. What do you get here? Negative 2x squared. And so when you put the two together in descending order, this is what your answer would be, right? That's no different. Just because the exponents take the form of a fraction doesn't mean the process changes. The process for this problem is the exact same process as this problem. So let's check it out. The first thing I'm going to do is take this x to the 1/2 and distribute to x to the 3/2. Good. And then you're going to take x to the 1/2 and you're going to distribute to the -2. Okay. So remember here, and let me just do this because the parentheses might throw some people, and I don't want that to happen. We are taking the x to the 1/2, and we are multiplying by x to the 3/2, right? Just like over here, we took x squared times x to the fourth. But what did you do with these exponents? You added. So what are you going to do with these exponents? You're going to add. And what's 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2? 4 over 2, which is just 2. This one, negative 2x to the 1/2. Can I simplify? Nope. So writing these two results in descending order, you would have x squared minus 2x to the 1/2 power. Cool? Excellent. Okay, so I have some examples coming your way. Work on them before you find my answer key video. Catch you on the flip side.